Once again, y'all, this is TNT. We are live. This is the damage that's going on. Right, look at this. Look at this, people. It's going down around here, man. Tiny town has been destroyed. Tiny town has literally been destroyed. Look at this. These are apartments. This is an apartment complex. This is wild. I've been here for 35 years and I ain't never seen nothing like this before in my life. Holy shit. Are y'all okay? Is everybody okay? Oh my God. Oh my God. This shit is crazy. Holy crap. If anybody needs help, I can help. Holy crap. Oh my God. These are people's homes, y'all. This is no laughing matter. Some people have lost everything, man. Literally lost everything.